Garlic Parmesan Wings from Buffalo Wild Wings is the ultimate flavor explosion. I know you're probably craving wings that pack a flavor punch without the heat. Well, look no further than Buffalo Wild Wings Garlic Parmesan Wings. These wings are the ultimate crowd pleaser. They're perfect for game day or any day you're in the mood for something irresistible. Now, what makes them so special? It's all in the sauce. A lot of places just do a butter, garlic, and Parmesan sauce. This is a flavor of explosion. This blend of Italian herbs adds depth and heat from the red pepper flakes, keeps things interesting. You're going to mix up the sauce and you're simply going to pour it over your wings and give them a toss. Now, whether you're a wing aficionado or just looking for a new favorite comfort food, these wings are sure to satisfy. Make some today and taste the magic. And hey, if you're looking for more copycat recipes, why not come to copycat.com?